we have both the consoles side by side, and just to kind of show you, this is the PlayStation as we get closer and see if you hear any sounds. And let's go ahead and start a game. Let's go ahead and close the game. Alright, so, and this is on the Xbox right now. So the Xbox itself, this is within the game. I would say it's much quieter. The one thing, just from experience having it running currently, is the heat up top. You can feel it. So it's doing its job, grabbing the heat from the bottom, moving all the way through the top, and that's the way the circulation on this type of device works. Now, on the PlayStation, it's picking up air and you can feel it sucking it in through here and out the back. But even at that point, does not feel as warm as the Xbox Series X does. Just putting your hand up here, it feels warmer. But overall, there are some devices on the PlayStation side that will experience cold whine. So if you do hear that, so far it's been reported normal by Sony, and there's discrepancy in some of their models, even with fans. I've made videos about that. There's so far in the wild about 3 different fans. Xbox, there hasn't been that many mentions, but some people are having different types of experiences. Leaving stuff on top will cause an issue with how the device will operate, especially if it's left on there while the gameplay is going on, because it's not able to move the heat around, so that could impact it. So just be careful if you do that. So again, both consoles are great. If you are trying to play some games and obtain one, look at Target. This is how I was able to get one today, and same thing, this was launch day Target, so had experience so far, decent experience in that route. But great, both consoles. Just waiting for more games to come out that are set up to take advantage of next generation. As to when we will see the game available again, it's hard to tell. I believe they mentioned January and February that more patches will come out. So stay tuned for more, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.